Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. The Pound Trader here, making an analysis for Monday, the 7th of October, 2024. You're so welcome to the channel. So we're starting over on the monthly time frame, and as we can see, or rather what I can see, because I'm just sharing my opinion, I can see that we are in a downtrend and we were in this sort of range, and I feel like this here is a pullback. And if I take my my Fibonacci retracement level, I can see that we are currently on the 78.6% fib, and I still believe, or rather still hope, that the price has the potential to continue selling all the way to down here. That is if we get a break below one of these levels here that you can see I have highlighted. So because we are currently just at the start of the month, still 25 days for the month to close, so I'm hoping that this month, the month of October, this candle can close bearish. And probably what is it called? Be lower than this other candle. Yes, engulf this other candle, sorry. And I have this level over here, and this here is one of the levels that I was looking for prior. I was looking for sales around the 61.8% fib. Oh gosh, sorry. And yeah, so currently I'm hoping that price comes down to this level here, and if it does end up breaking and like a retracement, that would be fabulous as well. So this is what I'm currently hoping for, maybe a break below, and then that would probably confirm my sales. So maybe just going down to the weekly time frame now, sorry. Hey, what is happening? Anyway, for weekly time frame now, so you can see last week's candle, nice bearish candle here, the 78.6% fib. We still have not really broken below this level here, and this is the 1.31200 level. So currently I am expecting some sort of pressure around this level here, simply because we do not close below. But I'm also hoping for price to make a retracement back to this level here, because maybe if you just go back to the monthly and show you, I think if I take my Fibonacci retracement level from this level to this level here, we can see that we are at the 61.8% fib, because we are currently in an uptrend. So I've taken my fib level from this swing point to this other swing point, and I can see that this level here, quite a potential level. So I'll be watching for that. Okay, going over on the daily time frame. So daily time frame here, I had this rising wedge formation. I don't know if anybody else had it, but I feel like now, because we have this rising wedge and we have a breakout, I feel like this distance here, so I've just taken a trend line, I feel like now we might have a breakout towards this level here, and we can see when I do take this distance, it does come directly to this monthly 61.8% fib. So to me, this is a bit more confluence that price might end up selling towards that level there. But basically on the daily, I'm just waiting for some sort of retracement and then head down. I think this rising wedge is a good confirmation, hopefully, if it works out. So I'm definitely going to be waiting for those sells now more than ever. Okay, so now going over to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the level that I had here. I currently have a bit too many levels here. I like to mute some of them, so maybe let me just mute this one. I'm only going to have it show on the 1-hour time frame. So this is the level that we had here, the weekly time frame, and we can see we sort of broke above, but then we sort of closed around this level here. So for me personally, what I'd like to see is, sorry, let me just get this so I can there. And also, if you spot something, I also have round numbers on all my support and resistance lines, because I feel like GU likes to respect round numbers. So for me personally, I would like to wait for something like this, a breakout, and then like a reaction here, and then up here. And maybe the reason for that is because if I take my fib retracement level, if you take it from the top of the swing point to down here, we can see that we have the 50% fib and the 61.8 fib. And this is also seen on the daily time frame as well, yeah? So this is the impulsive move. So now I'm waiting for a retracement back to one of these golden zones. I hope that is clear. I think that was a bit messy, but I hope I'm clear on that. So yeah, basically this is what I'm looking for. And maybe just to be a bit more clearer on the 1-hour time frame, so this is the zone that I had, and this was last week's low. This was also Friday's low, and yeah, we can see that last week's high was all the way back up here. So because I am waiting for a move back to this level here, I can see that we are in a downtrend, and if I do put over my moving averages, we can see that they're also flowing down quite nicely. but because I'm looking for a short-term buy, I'm hoping that so I have sort of three biases for this one. I'll be waiting for the trend line to break, this little trend line that we have here. Either price breaks, hopefully it also breaks above Friday's high, and a small retracement so that I can take it up. I will only be taking buys, so I'm not taking any like shorts, because I feel like this short move we might be at the end of it. So probably a move like this is something that I would like to see. If not, I would be waiting for a double bottom from this move that we had on Friday. I think a double bottom would also be quite nice for me, because the stop loss will be further down. Or if not, so I have that move here, that move there, or if not, if price just ends up maybe for some reason or the other completely breaks above this level here, what I'd like to look for, yeah, breakout, retracement around this level here and there. But it's not really the best move here, because okay, we have 60 pips and I do target 60 pips. My stop loss is normally around 30 pips, so maybe a move like this. But ideally, I would like to wait for a move either down here or down here would be preferable for me. So I really hope I've made sense. Please let me know in the comments what you're also thinking, because I'm curious to see what people also think. So let's just move over to the dollar index quite quickly. Let me start over on the weekly time frame on this one, so you can see, you can see as Friday we had some news and this caused this level here that I've had for quite a long time. It hasn't been broken properly yet. Very big impulsive bullish candle there. So yeah, waiting for a retracement on that one as well. And we also had this falling wedge over here, and I think we have a breakout. So hopefully now, if I take my fib maybe from the bottom of the swing point, retracements around this level here would be ideal. But if not, I'm also thinking the 61.8% fib retracement would also be quite ideal. Yeah, let me know what you think, because I've been bullish on the dollar. So I think it's just a matter of waiting to see how it plays out. But yeah, maybe just scaling down on the 4 hour. Oh, my shape has disappeared. It probably a retracement and then a pullback. So of course, if the dollar would be going down, then that means I am waiting for the pound to also retrace up a bit, and then hopefully look for those sells. So I hope that makes sense, because the dollar and the pound are correlated. And yeah, so just taking a look at the calendar, I think on this week, I'm based in Kenya, so Monday we don't have news, Tuesday no news, and then Wednesday we have 9 p.m. East African time, some USD. So hopefully next week goes well, because now that we have a breakout, I think there is a room for some opportunities. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found it valuable, please like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Bye bye, and I'll see you on the next one.